Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. We got Bistec Encebollado tonight. If you follow along on our travel vlog number 2 that we did Gatlinburg, Tennessee, on our way up, we stopped in Atlanta, suburb, Sabor Dominicano, stopped at the restaurant, Bistec Encebollado is what I had. And I even said in that video, we gotta make it. So we're here, we're gonna make it. So Bistec Encebollado is a typical dish. It's just basically steak with onion. It's, onion steak. Getting everything set up here. What we need for the ingredients. I got 3 eye-round steaks. I probably only cooked 2, but we've got 3 of them here. I got garlic, 4 cloves of garlic, adobo, about 1 tablespoon total seasoning, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, but you can use soy sauce, but we're doing Worcestershire sauce, and half a cup of mojo. I got vinegar for my onions. I got onions, Bistec Encebollado, onion steak. We'll get ready here, get everything seasoned up, and we'll start cooking. First things first, as I get ready, I'm gonna get my onions marinated in this apple cider vinegar, just 2 tablespoons. Let that soak. I'm gonna need the vinegar in my dish, so I may as well get that in the onions and let them start marinating. I'm gonna get my steaks in my seasoning marinating bowl. So I put all 3 steaks in here. And then add my seasonings, which is garlic, adobo, total seasoning, oregano, and I like to give my oregano a little crush, Worcestershire sauce, and mojo. Get that all mixed together, let it marinate. The goal here is I'm gonna probably let it marinate for 10-20 minutes. Overnight is great, a couple hours is great, but we're hungry. So we'll get this marinated off. Got my pan nice and hot, been preheating this entire time. Got my steaks marinated for 20 minutes. I'm gonna add some oil to the bottom. And I'm gonna let this go for about, 5 minutes aside or 10 minutes aside. You'll see. But get my steaks in here. Let them go. They're gonna release their own juice, and then you'll see the next steps. Gone 8 minutes on the first side, now I'm gonna flip. I'm hoping for some caramelization, some color on the steak. I'm gonna let this go another 8 minutes on this side. I'm at medium heat right now, 8 more minutes. I've got my 8 minutes on the second side. Now I'm gonna start making my sauce and the onions. So first things first, I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to where I'm marinating my steaks, because I want all that seasoning, and I'm gonna place that onto my steaks. And then you guys remember the onions that I put in with the vinegar, I'm gonna put those all on the steaks. I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna let this tenderize and start ablandando the onions, which is softening the onions up. So we'll come back in a few minutes after we check it. We've covered it. We've let it simmer for about 8 minutes. I'm going to uncover, and hopefully you guys can see the gravy in this shot. I'm gonna get it on my plate. Nice and tender, seasoned perfectly. The onions are melt away. And I'll get all that wonderful juice. Remember I told you Bistec Encebollado. We want all those onions. I'm gonna put the gravy right on top. We worked hard for it, may as well enjoy it. We'll serve it up here in a second. Obviously, I'm going to serve myself a plate here, but just for the sake of the video, may as well taste what we have. It's been patient. It smells delicious in here. And I'll grab a little piece here. And of course, I'll get an onion or two. Some of that gravy. Super tender, juicy, mojo, garlic. It's just delicious. That's a win. Guys, if you like this video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make, and subscribe for more. That said, I went there because we're making dinner right now and this is going in. Bye, people.
Okay.
Oh, it's delicious.